Hello and welcome to a tutorial on desktop image resizing. We can see here we've got one of the Windows standard sample photographs as a desktop background, but we can see if we look at the right and to the left that we have black bands where the image doesn't fit the widescreen that we have on this PC that I'm using. Now there are some alternatives and you can select those alternatives by using the personalized desktop option. So if we right mouse click anywhere on the desktop where there is no icon, we get a pop-up box and we need to select personalize, and we get a further box open up, and the option that we want is to use the desktop background. So we left mouse click desktop background. Here are our sample pictures that we selected earlier, and this is the one that we've got here at the moment. Now some of the options are to fit that to the screen. So if we select fit to screen, we can see that we have filled the rest of the screen to the left and to the right, but it's stretched the picture across the screen, which in this image is fine, but if we have people, they look rather short and fat. The alternative would be to use this middle option, which is to tile, which keeps the proportions, but if I move the box, what we get is a seam from the photograph where two photographs have been put together to keep the image at the right proportions. So most people end up using the option that we had initially, which is with the black bands. However, there is an alternative to this. You can resize your image using various tools that are available on the internet, one of which is something called Picasa, which we get from Google. If we look here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Picasa to change the proportions of your photographs so that you can get correct images on your desktop. Thank you for listening. Please look at the Picasa tutorial.